Alrighty folks, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox and show you some new gear that I got for my video making, and it is something I've been wanting to get for a while. I did not think it was affordable, but so yeah. So the first thing I'm going to be introducing you to is this Tascam. This is the Tascam DR-05x. And I got this on eBay used, so there's that. And then we're going to unbox these, yeah, make sure I don't have it upside down, these Upping headphones that I got on Amazon. Links to some of the products that I'm showing here will be in the description box below. And I got these little poofy things for my little Tascam because it suggested it if you're going to do voiceover with it. And I probably will be using that for some of my voiceover stuff. So I'm going to change the camera angle and we're going to get started on unboxing it and showing what it does. Right off the bat, you can see that my Tascam came in this box. It is used. I actually have already opened it, tested it out. I used a video that I saw from another YouTuber on how to do all the settings for the ASMR recording. So anyway, the box was kind of damaged, not a big deal to me. This is a great little item. I got it for an extra special deal because I'm like that. I like to shop for extra special deals. So right out of the box, we've got the Tascam in there. We got instruction manual, and I already opened this, but I'm not using it. The seller did give me a 8 GB micro SD card. I chose not to use it because it is not the quality that I would use for things like this. So I'm going to put all this stuff back in here. We got little thank you card, coupon, follow us, all that good crap. So we're just going to put this aside. Like I said, I have taken this out and I just did one quick little test record, but I actually deleted that. So this is what it looks like. You can see there. And it does take a micro SD card, which I have already put in here. If I can get it open with these nice fancy new nails that I've got. So I've got the SD card in there, and then you can see it takes 2 AA batteries. I used recharge. Alright, so to turn it on, we're just going to push down the on-off button and hold it for a second. And you can see it's got to set the date and time. So what I want to do is I'm going to take this out while we're out and about today, and we are going to test it out and see how it works. And then I will play the recording back when I edit this video. But if you want to get one of these, or you have one of these and you want to figure out how to do the settings on it for the perfect recording settings, I will link you to that guy's video. I'm not going to replay it here, but I'm going to follow his settings. We're going to go out and record some sounds. So the next purchase that went along with my Tascam are these, how you say it, Twist? Are these headphones? Is these headphones? So I got these on Amazon, and there will be a link in the description box below. I've also already tested these out. Kind of cool. I really like them because the sound is in there, people. But I wanted to have studio headphones for when I do playback, when I'm recording outside or something, so I don't have to wait till I get home and realize that the recording did not work out. So yeah, so we're going to unbox these and just see what comes in the package. And these were under $30 before taxes on Amazon. So right away we have our little headphones in a bag here. And it has 2 different cords. You can see I already unraveled one. And this will be the one that I will use with my Tascam. These are the ones that I'll be using with my little recording device, and I'll plug them right in so I can do live playback and hear the sound that I just recorded. So yeah, that's my headphones. Oh, it actually look, I didn't know that. It has left and right. I didn't even notice that the other day. So apparently you have to put them on a certain way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my headphones on, and I'm going to, while I talk to you about this Tascam, which I've discovered putting on a tripod helps to keep from making noise when you're touching it. I'm going to use it like a microphone. I don't have my little poofers with me. They're in the house, and I just got back from taking my kids to work. And it does pretty well without having to put a spit guard on it. If I was going to be doing a voiceover, I would put the spit guard on it. That's what you call it. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording now. I'm just going to give myself a little signal so that I can sync it up in the video. Okay, so I've had this Tascam for a couple of days. Been having a lot of fun with it. I recorded my little doggy, and I sat here in the car like a weirdo in my little neighborhood and recorded traffic going by and birds singing. And I am absolutely in love with this thing. Little microphones do not compare once you've heard sound through these things. And I have always been interested in videography, photography, making sound, and you know, any kind of camera gear I'm always super excited about. So I'm super excited about this one. I'm still going to play around with it and do some more recording, just because it's so much fun. So I'm going to play around with a couple more things, and you'll see a lot of those in the video after I edit it. I'll put all that in there. I didn't really do a lot of video. I wanted to have a video to accompany the sounds that I was recording, but the thing with that is that I kind of just get so into it. I don't want anything to interrupt it, and I'm doing it by myself because you know my kids are at work, and I don't have like I need a camera person, y'all. So anyway, yeah, this thing looks like, you know, some $25 equipment. It's plastic, but it is absolutely a powerhouse when it comes to sound. It is the weirdest thing to have these studio headphones on and be able to hear myself so crisp and clear. I can hear cars going by. I can hear birds singing. I can hear my neighbors over here in front of us. They are mechanics. He's a Hispanic guy, is a mechanic, and when I recorded the voiceover earlier, which I will splice in somewhere here, you could hear his drill. You could hear the wrench, you know, using the wrench to take something off of the car. It is just amazing sound. You won't want to go back to anything else. I mean, it is incredible. I'm just loving playing around with this thing. So, yeah, I'm a big old camera nerd, camera gear. So, anyways, just enjoy the sounds. I'll splice some in here and there and everywhere. But I highly recommend that if you're interested in videography and doing your own videos, and especially if you're going to do commentary or you're going to go out and about and do things, this is what you need. You don't need a microphone. You need one of these. You need this sucker right here. It is incredible. The sound is incredible. And the closer I get, see, I probably do need that spit guard because you can hear the popping in my voice. Pop guard, I think they call it as well. But when I get really close, you can hear that, and I definitely need my little poofer on there. But when I hold it far enough back, you can still hear me really well, but you don't get that popping. So this is great if you are at least be interested in ASMR. You know, if you want to do some recording of that, this is the thing to get. I got mine for under $90, and I waited and shopped around for that. A lot of them are a little over that, but if you shop around and you're not worried about a box looking like a hot mess, you know, the original box that it came in, what's the big deal with that, right? I didn't really care. I could have paid $20 extra, $30 extra, and got the box, and it would have looked brand new. But this sucker looks brand freaking new, and I am absolutely thrilled with it. So y'all gonna see and hear a lot more ASMR from me. It's gonna up my game when it comes to my Facebook Live videos. You'll be able to hear my dog toot. Also, I want to go out and record sounds and things like that. It's something I've always been interested in, and the microphone just does not do justice to the sound. You do not get those same sound effects, those same, just amazing. I think you can hear my neighbor beating that wrench on something over there. Anyway, If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm doing all kinds of different things on my channel now. If you want to hear some of the ASMR sounds, I'll post most of those on my other channels. So there will be a link in the description box below. And yeah, lots of fun. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is end the video here with a little voiceover. I'm not even sure. I thought there was a way to hook it up. I actually cannot hear myself in my headphones because I had hooked them up to the computer. Maybe I did things wrong, but I can still add the audio in from this, hopefully. So that is it. You're going to see more of my sound recordings and things like that. I'm just having so much fun with this thing. It is awesome. It's, you know, maybe it's the little nosy part of me, but I find sounds of just life happening around you. I've always found that to be interesting and fascinating, and I never knew how good it could be with more than just a little shotgun mic. So yeah, I am enjoying this. The video you saw just before this, the video I shot. I took the sound out and I added a couple of different tracks that I made using this Tascam. It is the DR-05x. So if you want to get that, you can find them on eBay for a really good deal if you shop around, if you're hard-headed like me. And I'm a hot mess, but yeah, it's been that kind of week, y'all. So anyways, look at that. Can't get it right. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, because I'm doing all kinds of stuffy stuff, all kinds of fun stuff. We're going to test out products. We're going to try new things. So stay tuned. Peace, y'all. Bye-bye.